We are out on Central Assembly. This is a church here. Just give you a shot here briefly of all the units here. You can see we got quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. This one here we're working on today. It's going to be a carrier. Numbers on it. We're still flashing just a little bit. We've only got in about a pound or two. About 3.25 pounds, 3 1/4, and we are clear on the sight glass. And here we are, 3 pounds, 3.5 ounces, and we got our unit here on the outside corrected. And let's go look at the inside. Go get a couple shots of that. To the indoor. Man, would you look at those pretty guys right there. These are split 10 ton, and these are actually both part of the same, serving the same space, the sanctuary into the church. Before these were installed, from about that pad right there where it ends, about to where in between them two units, one big unit was all the way across. It's a 20 ton carrier. Okay, this is basically the beast right here. Just gonna get a quick shot of it. Got our smoke detector, induct smoke detector. The line's coming in. Basically, it's really simple. It's just the basic coil in there, OTXV, and you got your fan over there on that side. And what we did was, well, I'm gonna need my flathead. What I basically did was we went over here. Alright, here's our box. Auxiliary heat box here. And basically all it is, we got 3-phase coming in. And it's powering it. Our low voltage wires coming in on the white there. And it's energizing our contactors and turning on that strip heat down there. And I could jump it out and test it now, but everybody's here's done left. I ain't going to lunch and doing some more stuff, so I really don't like to be anywhere where nobody's at. You know, liability. So I'm gonna get out of here, and we'll test when we get the new thermostat on. We'll test these strips and make sure all these strips are coming on and everything is okay and good. Okay, well, we got it all buttoned back up. The customer says that he is going to purchase some thermostats, pick them up. He's going to pick up 3 or 4 of them. He's kind of tired of those hunters, and I can't blame him. I can't blame him. We're going to get some numbers off this unit. fill out our paperwork, and leave him a receipt. He'll contact me when he's got the new thermostats, and we'll come back and we'll put them in.